Well, good afternoon, tax dodgers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Motorcycling with the Fat Boy. I am the Fat Boy, and today we are back with the Z900RS, the WirusWin slip-on, and we have the Baffle inserted now. It's been a good 48 hours since I sealed him up with a silicone, so tonight we get to try it out. Stand by.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome back, tax dodgers. Righto. We've got Blue out of the shed. Let's do the first start up and have a listen. Okay, well that is still quite loud, but anyway, let's get the glad rags on and we'll take it out the road. That'll be the real test. All right, see you on the bike. Well, here we go, tax dodgers. Baffle in the WirusWin on the Z900RS. Let's just see what sort of difference this has made. I can straight up say it is still loud. Anyway. Alright, lanyard secured on the action cam. We can all have a listen now. That's better on the overrun, without a doubt. No Mack truck on the jake brake anymore. Yeah, that's much nicer through the gears. Much nicer. That little bit of restrictions made a huge difference. Mind you, she's still pretty raucous. It's much nicer down through the gears. Well, there it very well is, tax dodgers. Nice little squirt around in the evening for the fat boy on the Z900RS. WirusWin NCAN with Baffle in situ. Better? Worse? Dunno. Let's get Blue inside and we'll have a bit of a chat about it. All right, welcome back, tax dodgers. Yeah, so the WirusWin with Baffle. Definitely nowhere near as offensive as without the Baffle, but the fat boy still has to say it is still very, very loud. I think I said, you might have heard me say when I was out there, if this was my tourer, it would just be not sustainable. It's just too much noise for a tourer. It isn't the tourer, but this is just a fun bike for me, the retro, you know. It doesn't hurt to have a little bit of noise, but yeah, I don't know. Is it still a little bit too much? Anyway, let's put the video up. You guys can have a listen. Let me know what you think. I'm probably going to have to go for another couple of rides before I make a decision on which way I'm going to go. There is a few things we can do. One of which is source the internet for some more Baffle options, which offer a little bit more restriction, a little bit more sound reduction. Maybe that's the way to go. Maybe I'll take it for another run and I'll be happier with it. Let's just see. That's the first run with the Baffle in. We'll see. All right. Thanks for tuning in once again. You've been watching Motorcycling with the Fat Boy. I am the Fat Boy. That's the Z900RS. That's the WirusWin NCAN with the Baffle. And that has been my test run. Thanks for coming along. See you soon.